Here's the unboxing and setup of this 10-inch mattress. It came tightly wound in this box, but I was able to get it out of the box all by myself. It just took me a little bit of back and forth to kind of get the mattress loose out of the box and pull it out. It's in a really tightly wrapped plastic container, but a little bit of back and forth and I was able to get it done. Then I was going to open it by using a razor, but I was worried about cutting the mattress itself. So once I kind of turned it around, I realized that it had a sticker which held paper which ran all around it. So just unravel the paper and the mattress will come loose. I made the mistake of thinking that when I unraveled it, that the white side was supposed to go up, and so you can see I flipped the mattress there, but that was a mistake on my part. You can see as soon as I opened it, by the way, it filled up with air right away. So when you unravel it, just leave the green side up because that's the way it's supposed to be. I had to flip mine back over because of my mistake. My dog crawled under while I was doing this. And you can see that the bed really kind of came to size right away. Immediately when I checked the size, it was a little bit over 9 inches and it's supposed to be a final of 10 inches. So I'm going by kind of like that gray area, but maybe if you go to the top of the mattress, it is 10 inches. It was extremely comfortable. I like the mattress quite a bit and I definitely recommend it, and it was very easy to set up.